Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR connection closed error on Google Chrome in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Okay, go to fast.com and hit enter. The next solution is to clear Chrome browser data. And how do we do that? Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and history once again. Select delete browsing data, click on delete data. The next solution is to disable Chrome extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. Now try disabling extensions to see if it helps. If it does, then remove the said extension. Lastly, you can reset Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Go to the reset settings tab, go to the store settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.